Welcome. Okay, I'm recording on my own channel because for some reason I couldn't access it on the DDR Tai Chi Fit thing. So this is bridg that I did this morning, and I hope you like it. DDR did explained where the bridg came from, and this is the little story that goes on. Has Fair Lady works the shuttles, Monk chops wood. Get ready to do some balance because I'll do white crane spread wings as well as soaring crane. All right, so here we go. So breathe. Fly away with me as I tell you a little story of the 7th month on the 7th day as a Valentine's. Sink the chi. Again. Open the door, float your hands up. Let's take a little step out. This hand drifts over. Hug a cloud and float across the sky. Good, change shape. So in the heavens, the story goes, there's a princess. She's bored one day, so she looks and comes to Earth to see what she can see. So float above the clouds, and she sees there in the wood, this hand scoops in, reach, a woodcutter chopping wood. He's very handsome. And she finds he's very kind and has integrity, because he not only chops wood to sell, hug, sink the chi, but he takes wood to the widows and the elderly ladies of the village to care for them, so their houses will be warm and they can cook their food. Float your hands up. Open, open, open. This hand floats. Float across the sky. Wave hands like clouds. So the princess of the heavens actually comes to Earth to meet this woodcutter. Gather, hook, single whip, take a step out. Good. 2 scoops. So she crosses over from the skies to Earth. Fair Lady works the shuttles. Step back in. And she steps onto Earth. And she meets the woodcutter. And he's everything she saw from above. Sink the chi. Sway and sway. And they meet. And they begin to fall in love. And soon they're married. And they go into the meadow and have picnics. And she dances. And he plays the pipa for her. the sunshine, they eat crisp apples and laugh and speak of the future. And then after some time, they need a horse to take them on their picnics. As they have a child who comes and dances with them on their picnic. Reach, drift, step, play your music. Again. One more. Stay here. And then again. Their horse is full, with 2 children now joining them on their picnic. Part wild horse's mane. One more. Reach, drift, step in, play the music as the children laugh and dance in the sunshine. And they all eat crisp apples. And they travel to the stream and they fish for their dinner. One more part wild horse's mane. Reach. Always their life is filled with laughter and music and dancing. One more. Circle in, part wild horse's mane. One more. Fingertip meets fingertip. Open your heart, sink the chi. Float your hands up into the sky. Open, this hand drifts. Float. See the beautiful family. You can feel their love for each other. They don't have many things, but they have each other. Above them, in the skies, the Queen of the Heavens looks for her daughter. And she can't find her. So she becomes anxious and worried, and then finally she becomes angry. Thunderclouds across the sky as she comes to earth and searches. Lightning lights up the clouds as they rumble through the sky, growing more ominous and dark. And then she finds her daughter. Take a step, she rain. Heavy rain comes down along with the Queen of the Heavens. Step in, other side. She grabs her daughter and doesn't listen to the tears of the husband or the children or her own daughter. She hug. Float up. Instead, drift. She grabs a dagger and slices a divide between the heavens and the earth. One more, which is called the Milky Way. Release, drift. The princess calls out to the birds from the earth. To see if anyone will help her. And finally, one does. The magpie. He comes to the princess and listens to her plight. And he calls the other magpies from all over the world. And they make a plan. Snake creeps down. Release, float. They begin to spread their wings and take flight. White crane spreads wings. Again, every magpie. The woodcutter and his children know what it means, all these birds flapping and flying around them. Gather. Spread your wings. Soaring crane. Start with a little tap. Stay connected if you need to. And if you want to try, lift a little. Until finally the one magpie reaches the heavens and the princess and spreads his wings so she can step across him and the rest of the birds. Float your wings up, spread them. Have the family meet. For one full day, they can spend time again, laughing, singing, loving each other. Good. Sink the chi. Gather. Press down. Overflow. The magpies heard the princess's love they needed to help. So they shared with each other, opening your heart. And they gave their lovers time, precious, precious time. Gather, spill out your love. To your heart and share. So the princess did something very special for the magpies. They used to be plain black birds like crows. She painted them with a special stripe. Gather, spill. To your heart. Share. Release. Gather again. Celebrate with me. One more. And palms down. Open. Sink the chain. Press down. One foot comes in. Make a loose fist. Thank you for learning about the bird's bridge.